This steering wheel is out of a Jaguar XJ8 from 1998. Obviously we can see all the wear on this leather, just completely worn out and dirty, combination of both of these. And there's not a lot of people who work on Jaguar steering wheel, but as you know, Craft Customs works on all steering wheels. So we're going to take this Jaguar and remove all this old leather and match the old leather, and we keep over 280 colors of leather in stock, and if we need to, we will special order a color to match, and so we'll get that taken care of. Then once it's all stripped and cleaned, we'll reapply rubber padding if it had that under the leather, and then put a new leather on there. This one is done with the Euro basting stitch. You can kind of see it, but it's going to look so good when we finish it up. So let's do our transformation process on it and see how it looks. Man, would you look at that. This Jaguar XJ8's year is 1998, but it looks like it's brand new. We've stripped off all that old leather that you saw in the before pictures and reupholstered it in a new matching factory OEM leather, and it is really going to update this Jaguar completely. Anything you need in regards to steering wheels of any make, year, model, reach out to craftcustoms.com, and we look forward to working with you.